on YouTube, baby? It's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Back in here trying to bring y'all another banger video, man. I've been gone for a long time, but I'm back. I'm black, man. Y'all see how I got my black rights movement going on, man? Black Lives Matter, all that good stuff, man. Rocking the flow right now. The fro, not the flow, the fro. Man, if y'all ain't made it this far, man, y'all already know the rhythm. Y'all already know the saying, man. Go on and like this video since you're already here. You don't take no effort to click that thumbs up button. You remember that? Boom. How I got you here. All right, man. So go and subscribe to the channel, man, because you know your boy is a rock star, man. I'm a goofy than a fool, man. So you never know what you might expect out of your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Yeah, man. I'm finna go on my way to the shop right now. What shop? This mod that I'm finna do. It don't even matter what type of car you have. You even gotta have this type of car to go get this mod that I'm finna go get done for this, for me, for the car, and for me. It's a 2 mod, and it don't even cost that much. It costs between $25, depending on where you go. You can get it for $20 to $45, depending on how good you want the work done, man. So, like I said, I'm gonna bring this mod to the channel. Y'all stay tuned, man, and make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and share the video, because this mod right here, man, I'm telling you, it's a what? Y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm coming with it. Just gonna tell y'all right here what it is.
This right here,
YouTube, baby. Y'all see this driver mod right here, baby? This is what I'm talking about. Everybody needs this mod right here, boy. You see, you see me. Y'all see me, man. I know I've been looking homeless on this channel for y'all, but I promise you, I am not a homeless man, because your boy looking right, looking tight. Oh, flex one time. Let me, whoa. But yeah, man. Let me go on. Like I said, we're going to pick up another part, man. So I'm going to go on and get to that when we get there.
the next day.
What's going on YouTube, man? As y'all can see, man, same video, different day, man. Like I said, man, make sure I get the merch, man. On the back when this one says 40 roll or nah. Also, y'all can see surgery went well. Yeah, so y'all can see, man, surgery went well, man. Your boy back out here doing his stuff. I promise y'all I was finna bring y'all another mod to the channel, man. So y'all finna see what we finna pull up at, man. So stay tuned. YouTube, man, look at this little Daytona then pulled up on me behind me trying to run something. I'm finna get over and see what they talking about. Oh, look, they ain't talking about nothing. Hold on, let's get over and see what they talking about. Let me get over and see what they talking about. Let's get over and see what they talking about. He ain't talking about nothing. Oh, he ain't talking about nothing. Hold on, let me flip that camera around.
Child, vehicle stopped on shoulder ahead.
There you go. I don't know if y'all been hearing me, man, but I was talking in the camera when he recording, but this little 392, this right here in front of me, this little white one, boy, he pulled up. Look, I came down here a little bit, mashing the gas, you know, chilling, and this fool, look, listen to him. Hold on. We gonna go get him. Come on. Oh. Bro, he thought he did something. He thought he did something, YouTube. He thought he did something. Boy, he thought he did something. Let me use it from this little Toyota real quick. Oh yeah, come on, y'all. They open up a little bit. This downshift on the, man, I know y'all see this little Ford, little Fusion gonna try to hop in front of me, man. You better get on out the way. He thought he did something, too. We gotta go get him now. He thought he did something, man. Girl riding with a blinking light on and stuff. What it look like over there? thought he did something. Man, get out the way. Scoot back. Man, get out the way. Scoot back. He thought he did something. We got 2 miles. We finna go get him. Come on. Somebody gonna get out the way. Y'all ain't trying to move in this little Audi. Get on out the way. We finna go get him. Back behind this little Ford Fusion. Come on. Where he at? 1 car in front of me. Come on. Push him on out the way. Push them on out the way. Come on. Get on out the way, damn it. Get out the way. I didn't want to get out the way. Oh my God, bro. He right there. Get out the way. Let me go get him. You ain't gonna punk me on the highway like that. I was cruising. I got a mile. Come on. Come on. Back. Oh, somebody racing right there. He lucky that's my exit. Man, I'm going to get him. I'm going to make a loop around. I'm going to make a loop around. We going to make a loop around. Let me go and get on off of here. I had to let him know what's underneath this hood. You don't come play with me like that. Now let me make this loop around because I'm getting on out of here. I'm on out of here now. Alright, YouTube, baby, man, we ain't made it up here to the best shop in Texas, period. Summit Racing, man. So I'm finna go in here, man, and see what we can get. See what type of YouTube special that they giving out today, man. So if y'all need anything for y'all car, man, please come up here to Summit Racing. It is a one-stop shop for every single thing you need. You literally can build a car literally from scratch, from a screw all the way up to the whole engine and tires, man, out of this one location right here, bro. Oh boy, they got the old school Demon 340 up in here, or 240. We definitely gotta check that thing out right there. Here it is right here, man. That Demon, the Demon 340. Oh, yes indeed. That thing nice, bro. Oh, that thing is nice. But like I was saying, man, you can get anything out of here. Literally anything. Big engines right here, bro. Yes indeed. It's so crazy to come up in for a Hellcat. Hey, get this video to 1,000 likes. We putting it on the car. On Jesus, Daddy. Oh man, this it right here. This it right here, baby. That fat thing right here. This is what we need. Now, but on the real, it's probably one of these right here. I don't even know which one it is. I know the bigger the better. That be on a Corvette. I already know that. Oh, okay, they got it listed right here, so you gotta find it. No, I know what it looks like. 2017 Dodge Chrysler Hemi 6.4. We running 6.2, so we gonna need Camaro SS. Wait, yeah, Camaro SS. Vet. Well, we know those are vets. Why am I even looking at that? It's another vet. It's another vet. Ford. I hope I ain't come up here and they ain't got it. They probably got it in the back. Wait a minute, what are these? Yeah, they probably got it in the back too. Let's see what they got on the other side, man. What this one is? Supercharged right here. Look, you think about doing it. That's what you need right there. For a supercharger. Let me see the blocks. But yeah, man, like I was saying, you pretty much piece by piece you can build your whole car from in here. Like I said, get the video to 1,000 likes. We putting it on the car. Any one of them. 1,000, 750, 1,500, 500. Like the video up. Then y'all give me to 1,000,000. Give me to 1,000,000. Give me to 1,000,000. The only bad thing about coming to Summit Racing, man, is they is always packed and busy, bro. Best to order your parts offline to get anything. Coming into the store, bro, it is crucial.
One eternity later.
Alright, too, man, we placed that order, but they sold out, bro. Gotta wait a whole week. Gotta wait a whole week for the part to come in, man. But we got that invoice though, so you know we gonna be good. It wasn't a blank trip, not as bad. Oh, they got a line at the bathroom. Yeah, I ain't finna do all that. Truck files on it, man. Y'all peep that truck right there. That thing is nice. I don't know if nobody in this bed or not, but I'm at least gonna walk by it, man. That thing looks nice too. Ooh, look at it, bro. With the red interior on it, red seatbelts too, Stingray. Oh man, ooh, that thing's nice. But yeah, man, y'all see how deep it is out here, bro. Like I said, best place to come in Texas, Summit Racing, man. Don't sleep on it. Look at Ghost back there sitting right, man. Look at her, lonely. Oh, this gonna be my thumbnail right here. This gonna be my thumbnail right here. Let me get a little bit closer. Alright, man, that's gonna be a wrap for this video, man. Really wanted to come up here and actually get the part myself, but I got it shipped to the crib, so I mean, it ain't too bad, man. So y'all know how I end all my videos, man. Make sure y'all like this video, y'all comment on this video. Let me know what y'all think about the mods that I should bring else onto the car. Also, subscribe to the channel, man, if you ain't came this far. Well, man, support the movement, support the grind, man. Y'all know it's hard out here to do this stuff during Corona. Man, so y'all just help a brother out, man, by just sharing it, bro. So put everybody else on the channel so I can get some more positive feedback on this thing, man, because this grind is really hard, bro. It's really a struggle to do all this, man. But yeah, man. Okay, Slick out of here, man.